Hi, welcome back to Business Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. During this session, I will run through where the reports are within QuickBooks. So starting on the dashboard screen, what we want to do is go to reports. You have multiple options in here, but you can click standard reports, custom reports, management reports, or performance center. What we want to do is we just want to look at where all of the reports are saved. Therefore, we want to choose standard reports. From here, what we'll see is all of the relevant reports that QuickBooks have for us. So you'll have some favorites that are defaults. You can change these. So we have our accounts receivable, aging summary, balance sheet, and profit and loss. What we could say though is that, for example, I want my business snapshot to be a favorite. Therefore, I just click this star and make it green. And then as you can see, it comes back up here. Your favorites are in alphabetical order, so you should easily be able to find them. Obviously, you don't want to have too many favorites because that will defeat the point of having a short summary of some favorite reports. So I'm just going to unclick that as well. So that then removes the star and then it removes it from our favorites. What we can do is we could say, I want to look for a report, but I know it's not to do a business overview. And there's so much on there, it's cluttering my screen. So let's just click this arrow and that will hide those reports. And then I can actually see the one I was looking for, which is my statement list. To open any of these reports, you just want to click on it. You want to click on it near the name, because as you can see, the further to the right, there's no way of choosing that report. But over here, the cursor changes and allows it to be a link. Alternatively, you can click on the three dots and choose customize. Alternatively, you can also add that to the management reports. We'll go in that a bit later on. So to open statement list, we click on that. And then as you can see, this is now the report I have. I don't have much data in here, therefore it doesn't look quite great, but your report would typically have quite a bit of data in here, and you can start using your customizations at the right-hand screen, which I'll go through in another video. And that's how you find your reports. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe and follow along for more QuickBooks tutorials. See you at the next one.